In this section, I'm going to show you how to create a very simple query or a select query that can enable you select a certain section of your information from a particular table. So without further ado, you go to create a query, create here, query design. You go to create query design. Once I create on query design like this, it will give me the tables I want to add onto my query design. They can be even queries themselves. You can query, have a query based on a query. You can have both. That's when you will have queries mixed with the tables here. But since now we only have tables, I just want customer table. So once I click on a customer table and I say add, I can close this. I can as well add order table, but to keep it simple, let's have only customer table. So I close this. Once I'm done with that, I can be able to have my fields put on this query. So what you do when you see this star, it means that I want to show all the fields on what on in my results. So when I drag this, you left click and drag it and put it here, it will show all the columns in that query. So let me save my query and I'm going to call it customer query. I'm keeping things simple and we say okay. So once I save, it will create for me here customer query. I can close here. So when I click on the query, it will show you the records. This looks like the table, but it will show you all the records because I picked a star and I put it on the query design. Well, I may not be interested in all these columns. Maybe I may be interested in customer ID, first name, surname, and telephone. So in that regard, I can go back, close this, and I go back to design view. You don't need to go back and create a new one. You just go to design view, right click here and say design view. I can now remove this because I don't need everything. If you pull this start down here, it will get you all the information, but I'm not interested in everything. I'm only interested in customer ID. I can pick and left click, drag and drop here, or you just double click very fast, double click like that. Maybe I'm interested up to the telephone number, and in case I'm not interested maybe in email, I can always delete it, or you can delete it by tapping the delete button. It's very easy to remove. It's not very complicated. So that's how you can always do the queries, and here you will see the results that we shall get. You can as well click view as you design. You see now it brings 1, 2, 3, 4 because we selected 4 columns. You can as well skip and maybe leave out even the surname or telephone number. So that's how you design a simple select query.